Welcome to Wednesday. It's What the Truck Wednesday.
Wacky Truck Wednesdays.
Freaky Fridays, Wacky Truck Wednesdays. It's, what do they call that? And with the WWW, like
An anagram?
and whatever, English teacher. We've got a large announcement.
Huge.
Some of y'all might already know.
Huge.
Nismo Off-Road dropped the Nismo load on us
Yes.
this morning. And
This is so new that I looked up one of these part numbers on Google and it didn't know what to do with it.
it doesn't. Yeah.
It was a little fuzzy guy holding a fishing pole.
So this stuff's so new, Nissan doesn't even have prices in the system for it yet.
Yeah, and they don't even have full descriptions.
Right. So we're here giving you the stuff before Nissan has even given us all the info because that's how we are. I've already ordered a bunch of this stuff. It did let me order it. So don't know when we're going to see it, but it's ordered. I'm going to start off with the thing that I'm most excited about today.
What is it?
Is it the same thing you're excited about?
I bet you it's not because I think you got your page ready to what you're excited about.
Yes, I do.
All right.
Nismo Off-Road is calling these the Ascend wheels, and these are 18 by 8.5 for the R53 Pathfinder and the T33 Rogue, which are the current models of that platform. We've been saying for how long that they needed to have some off-road products for the Pathfinders, and obviously for the Rogues.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing that I'm kind of bummed out about is that the Rock Creek comes with nice looking wheels that suit it really well. These will look great on the Rock Creek, but I don't see, taking those off just to put these on.
Right.
But I think it would be cool to get a, an SL or something. And
Unless the Rock Creek wheels, are they shiny black?
yeah.
So if you wanted to change it up and go matte black or satin.
Yeah. You could definitely like this style better. I'm just thinking from our perspective as a dealer of going, hey, we're going to swap these wheels out. I don't think a customer's going to want to pay extra for Nismo wheels. But I would like this. But if you want the comfort and the luxury of, say, a Platinum or an SL,
With that rugged look.
there you go. You retain your leather interior, you get all the fancy things, and you can go off-road. Because let's face it, it's pretty much the same vehicle. Right?
Yeah.
All right. So, I want to know what your favorite thing is. I'm very curious now.
All right, so I like to think of myself as a details guy.
Yeah.
Right? I like to get laser focused, spot the differences, and say, well, why are they different?
Yeah.
But anyway, Nismo's coming out with all this off-road gear,
Yes.
and the thing that I am fixated on are the iceboxes.
Okay.
I'll say that again. Iceboxes.
There you go.
I kind of choked on my words.
Yeah.
They have...
Were you looking at the price when you said that?
No.
Okay.
The price, I'm not interested in price.
Well, you better not be.
I'm interested in the details that, we might overlook on accident.
Okay. Yeah.
Because initially you're like, oh, okay, you get the choice of a red icebox or a white icebox.
Yeah.
And then they're different sizes. But here's what I noticed. So the white icebox comes in a 20-quart size and a 45-quart size.
Okay.
Now, if you opt for the white icebox, there are add-on accessories available only for the white. Right? And then if you look at the red ones, there's no 20-quart red one. It's a 25-quart red one.
Interesting.
And they have a 45-quart one, but I looked at them, and the white family are identical, just differences in sizes or capacity.
Yeah.
Right? And you can get the accessories for the white ones. When you get to the red ones,
I do see the difference.
the red is a 25-quart, as I said, or 45-quart,
Yeah.
but they're completely different in design
I see that.
from the red 25 to the red 45, and they look nothing like the white ones.
Interesting.
Yeah, and yet the prices, the 25-quart red one, $225 MSRP. The white 20-quart is the same price. But if you want the accessories like the little cage, the drinks holder. What else do they have? Icebox basket. That's a cage. A cutting board.
Yeah, I ordered all that stuff because I don't understand how the cutting board is like integrated into this. Why does it have anything to do with the cooler? We're gonna find out.
Yeah.
And tell me if you know. Maybe this cooler looks familiar to you. I'm sure whoever manufactures this cooler has these available without the Nismo logos and things like that. I don't know.
Yeah, and that was the thing too. I tried looking at these because if you look at the latches, they have this like what I would call is like a hood, like a rubbery hood.
Yeah.
Kind of like a 2-finger thing.
Yep.
And then that red 45 quart has like these hoops.
Yeah.
And I looked up all the major brands: Arctic, Yeti, Igloo. What was the last one? Orca. And none of them match up. So obviously these are made for Nissan by somebody. I just haven't been able to figure out who.
Well, maybe when we get them, we can figure. Maybe it'll be stamped in it somewhere. So some of the things they offer, and I'll put slides up here so you guys can pause it and look at the prices and things like that. What Nismo is calling a portable water solution. They have a portable solution, a rack mounted solution,
and they're different. They're completely different again.
Yeah. Anyway. So that's cool. If you want a hot shower and you can tote around a little bit of water with you, I think that's great.
If you add the water solution heater, which is compatible with both, the difference is the rack one that mounts up high on the rack comes with a 7-foot hose and a shower head, like a garden nozzle thing that you can adjust spray patterns. So that's good for spraying off your gear, yourself, etc. Go ahead, Russell. I'll cut you off.
Let's see here. You got the coolers, the accessories for the coolers,
power cubes.
Yeah, 500 watt and an 1800 watt. And I mean, obviously, if you're spending that kind of money, I think watts per dollar, you're probably getting a better bang for the buck with the 1800 watt, maybe close. Yeah. Let's see here. Solar panels. You got a 100 watt and a 200 watt, and then you get into the red coolers next. I think Nismo. What was the? Do you remember the folks' names that did the video?
Cody and Victoria.
Yeah, I think I found in my spam box. Nismo had originally reached out to me.
Oh, okay.
No, nice one. I said. But
did Cody and Victoria actually reach out to us, or was it
no
Nissan on there? But
Nissan, that was a joke. But they sent some influencers out into the wild with all this gear, test out things like that. Nissan's got some videos. Go check those out if you're interested. But they've also released some Titan products, which I think is
surprising.
Yeah, which we just talked about this on Friday. I said that Nismo was, they're in
go mode,
a fantastic form right now. I love it. So they released a bunch of stuff. They have the roof rack, rock sliders, overlanding bed rack, spare tire carrier, which is offered for the Frontier as well.
That's right. Yeah, we didn't talk about that. That thing is probably the coolest thing they came out with, as simple as it is.
Yeah, I mean it's a great. Yeah, you want to be able to carry around a full size if you're going off road, not the what's mounted under the truck. So I think that's a really cool accessory. And then rooftop tent, they're still offering those, which I'm sure it's the same tent for both vehicles.
And that rack, that bed-mounted rack, can hold up to 1,200 pounds, which is a ton of weight.
Yeah, that's a lot. You could take all your friends on the roof. The rock sliders, we've been talking about these for what I feel like a year now for the Frontier. Hopefully they'll release them soon. I've got some on order.
And these are legit rock sliders. They're not just like side steps with the steps taken off.
Yeah, they look really good. Wheels, the beadlock wheels, the Titan and Armada wheels. All things that I have on order that we have not seen yet. But I think this Nismo is releasing a holiday catalog, 2024 holiday catalog. They claim that we were supposed to order these ahead of time as dealers. I've heard nothing about it. So, Nissan, come on. But Friday's video, we're going to talk about Nismo for the streets, not for the off-road.
Okay.
Passenger cars.
Yeah.
Performance parts. S-chassis. Can you believe that?
No, I can't.
That Nismo has released parts for the S-chassis. That's great.
Parts for the
Nismo parts for the S-chassis. Might be for an S15.
What year is this? Yeah.
I know. Y'all say Nissan don't love y'all. Nissan loves y'all. All y'all. If you're here watching and you have a 240 or Skyline or anything like that. But there's a bunch of wheels. And they went for it with the wheels. We're not going to talk about it today. They went for it with the graphics. They went for it with the suspension stuff. They went for it with the carbon fiber.
I like the graphics. I like that the graphics are back.
Well, here's the thing. Nissan actually sent out to, I don't know who all I went to, but me as a manager got one of the emails. And they basically let us vote on which style graphics we liked.
Oh, fun.
And there was like a new style. And then there was the old, mid-2000 style with the checkers on the end. I was like, that's it. Go with that. They did not pick that one. So,
well, if they fall on their face,
if they don't sell a Nissan,
I can't blame you.
Look in the mirror. I'm not going to order any unless somebody comes in here and wants them. But that's it.
That's it. We went kind of fast there. I hope we
did.
We slammed some Red Bulls right before we came in here.
3 of them.
I did see one of my notes, which I forgot to mention. Yep. On the portable water solution, it has a hands-free faucet. I'll call it a faucet. It's like
really.
So if you got gunk on it, you've been cutting up meat or something like that, and you don't want to touch the faucet, you just stick your hand under it, and it just comes on.
So you get some pretty high-tech stuff.
Yeah, it's good stuff. And then that water heater, it tells you what the water temp is and how much battery life you got left. I mean, this is good stuff.
Yeah, I feel like it was about 2 years ago, our general managers and dealer principals get invited to new product launches way ahead of time. So they got to see the kicks. They got to see the leaf, what it's supposed to look like. I don't know what it looks like. They can't tell me.
Yes.
But they did tell me that there was a Frontier there that had been decked out with a shower and all this stuff. And they were telling me how cool it was. So I think that I'm hoping that we can get them to do a mock preload on a Frontier.
That'd be awesome.
But it's going to be quite the investment. Nissan's got some packages they suggest here. I don't know if I would go exactly what they have listed here.
I like that the packages include 5 wheels, though.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
I'm surprised that they didn't go, 4 wheels. And then they go, oh, crap, we put that spare tire around there. So,
right. So that's good.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is Nismo in its absolute prime right now, or what do you think?
Also,
dud or dud?
When you're done watching this video, I'm going to give them a plug.
Yeah, do it.
Nissan
for sure
has these influencers, Cody and Victoria. What's our name for me to remember? And they're in these 3-4 videos that Nissan put together. And it's definitely worth the look. And also check out Cody and Victoria's videos. I watched a handful of those earlier today. And they seem like real nice people.
Yeah.
They're just out there living their best life, climbing mountains, van lifing it. All over the Western U.S. and Europe now, it seems like, too. Check them out. They're nice people. Oh, yeah. And then those Nissan videos that they put together with the influencers, they're the Xterra.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize that the Xterra had a rear view cam on it. Is that correct? Because the one in the video says a rear view cam.
My 2010 Sentra has a backup camera on it.
Really?
Yeah. It could go toe to toe with the 2025 Frontier camera. Sorry,
yeah, I just sound pixelated.
Sorry, guys.
What else was I going to say, Russell? Oh, yeah. One more detail, and then I'll shut up because I'm making this video too long.
That's fine.
Is that if you look at the Xterra, when it pops up on the screen and you pause it, look at the license plate, and it says the beautiful state, which is the Nissan fake license plate that they put on in all their commercials.
Love it.
There you go. Come back and see us soon. We've got more amazing video content for you.
Hit subscribe. We have 115,000 people here right now, and we just want to grow it at this point.
Yes.
We're like succulents. Feed us.
Okay, it's getting weird in here. Let's call it a good day.